kind of bird is this? A. Falcon, B. Hawk, C. Eagle, D. Kite. The answer is C. Eagle. What kind of bird is this? A. Sparrow, B. Canary, C. Pigeon, D. Hummingbird. The answer is D. Hummingbird. What kind of bird is this? A. Hawk, B. Short-eared owl, C. Long-eared owl, or D. Barn owl. The answer is short-eared owl. What kind of bird is this? A. Razorbill, B. Penguin, C. Gannet, D. Puffin. The answer is D. Puffin. What kind of bird is this? A. Martin, B. Finch, C. Swallow, D. Swift. The answer is C. Swallow. What kind of bird is this? A. Kingfisher, B. Bluethroat, C. Knot, D. Bullfinch. The answer is A. Kingfisher. What kind of bird is this? A. Finch, B. Swinhoe, C. Great Tit, D. Starling. The answer is B. Swinhoe. What kind of bird is this? A. Garden Warbler, B. Chaffinch, C. Jay, D. Wren. The answer is A. Garden Warbler.